Injuries can have far-reaching and often severe consequences, affecting various aspects of a rider's life. Here's a breakdown of the potential consequences. Let's start with physical consequences. Traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs. These are common in motorcycle accidents, especially if the rider wasn't wearing a helmet. TBIs can range from mild concussions to severe brain damage. Spinal cord injuries. These can often lead to partial or complete paralysis, significantly impacting the rider's mobility and independence. Fractures and broken bones. The lack of external protection often results in fractures, which can be especially severe in the case of high-speed impacts. Road rash. Sliding across pavements can cause severe skin abrasions, which can lead to infections and require skin grafts. Internal injuries. These include internal bleeding, organ damage, and are often life-threatening. Limb amputations. In severe cases, injuries can lead to the necessity of amputating limbs. Now, let's talk about psychological consequences. Number 1, post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. Many accident survivors experience PTSD, which can manifest as nightmares, flashbacks, and severe anxiety. Number 2, depression and anxiety. The trauma of the accident and the subsequent impact on life can lead to depression and anxiety. Number 3, changes in personality and behavior. The psychological impact can also lead to changes in personality, mood swings, and altered behavior. Now, what about the financial consequences, such as medical expenses? The cost of emergency care, surgeries, hospital stays, and ongoing medical treatment can be substantial. Physical therapy and other rehabilitation services can be a long-term financial burden. Loss of income. Injuries can lead to a temporary or permanent inability to work, resulting in lost wages and even loss of career. Legal costs. If the accident involves legal proceedings, there could be significant legal costs involved. Now let's move on to the social and the personal consequences. Number 1, impact on relationships. The strain of dealing with injuries can affect personal and family relationships. Loss of independence. Severe injuries may lead to a loss of independence, requiring assistance for basic daily activities. Lifestyle changes. Adjustments may need to be made to accommodate the physical or psychological aftermath of the injury. Reduced quality of life. Chronic pain, disabilities, and the psychological impact can significantly reduce the overall quality of life. Last but not least, long-term health consequences, such as chronic pain. Many survivors live with chronic pain resulting from their injuries. Long-term disability. These are permanent disabilities that can result from severe injuries. Increased risk of future health problems. There can be an increased risk of future health problems, including arthritis at the site of the broken bones, to name a few. Understanding these potential consequences underscores the importance of motorcycle safety, preventative measures, and the need for comprehensive insurance coverage to mitigate the impacts of such accidents.